Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about SAP Fiori Launchpad. So SAP Fiori Launchpad is known as the entry point to Fiori apps system on mobile and desktop devices, and it contains various tiles in Fiori system. And tiles are square objects that are used to access different Fiori apps, and access to these tiles are based on the user roles. So SAP Fiori tiles run on multiple device types and provides a single point of access for business applications such as transactional, analytical, fact sheet, smart business apps. So SAP Fiori Launchpad key facts. So the key points about SAP Fiori Launchpad are: web-based entry point to use SAP business applications across platforms and devices, delivered as an out-of-the-box thinking to the HTML client. High productivity for end users using features like theming, search integration, customization, etc. And offers single entry points for end users using multiple device types. So how does SAP Fiori Launchpad work? So when you launch the Fiori Launchpad, it only shows the Fiori Launchpad.html as the end of the URL. So this is because the Fiori Launchpad.html is the only HTML document which is loaded to the browser, making it the only SAP UI5 root application. So if you are a customer using launch page, this is different in that the launch page has an index.html for each application. And this change provides a more holistic user experience by allowing page navigation and transitions. So the Fiori Launchpad key benefits. So the key benefits that can be achieved using SAP Fiori Launchpad is ability to define application usage for certain roles or personas. 1. Home page, personalization, responsiveness, single sign-on, theming, search, bookmarks, and page navigation transitions. So SAP Fiori Launchpad key values: simple, intuitive, easy and coherent user experience; role-based, simplified role-based navigation and business function access; contextual, real-time contextual and personalized access; responsive consumption, a cross-device version and channels with a single user experience; multi-platform, planned to be running on multiple platforms: ABAP, SAP Portal, SAP HANA Cloud Portal and HANA. Then configuration of Launchpad. So to see the implementation steps and requirement of any of the SAP Fiori apps, go to help.sap.com/Fiori. And to check the URL of SAP help page, go to google.com and enter the app name. So this is the front-end component for My Timesheet apps in Launchpad for activating SAP Fiori UI5 application. Then how to check Fiori apps URL and SAP UI5 component. Login to the front-end server using SAP Logon and run the T-code SICF. Then a new window will open. Click execute to go to the path mentioned below, like default host SAP BC UI5_UI5 SAP, search for HCM_TS.CRE and double click. You can see the URL path for My Timesheet application and copy this path to the notepad and remove default host and add service name in the end. Now run the T-code SC80. A new window will open and enter the name of the BSP application and UI5 application name and click on display button. Then go to the component.js and make the note of the component name. And now to configure the Launchpad, use T code lpd_cust and go to the new Launchpad. So enter the details for the labels like role, instance, description, and click on continue and yes. Then a new window will open. Click on the new application. Then enter the link details, link text, application type, URL, and click show advanced parameters. Then enter the details, application alias, SAP UI5 component name, and click save button on the top. And you can create a tile for this by going to the Launchpad designer and to select create a target mapping. Click the plus sign and enter the name for the tile and click save. So the next step is to create the target mapping. So go to the target mapping and click create a target mapping. Then a new window will open. Enter the details. Then creating catalog and tiles in Launchpad. So how target mapping is done is explained. Then the next step is to create a file. So go to the tile tab and click the plus sign and select the type of the tile to be created and enter the details. And as selected a static tile, to enter details and click on save icon. And to assign the role to this, go to the front end system and use transaction PFCG. Then enter the role name, click single role and save next. Next click the menu tab. Then go to the user tab and enter the user details that you want to use and to access the Launchpad and save. Then to add the catalog to a group in Launchpad, log into Launchpad and select the title catalog and select the catalog you have created and click on plus sign to add to a group. So if you have selected my home as a group name, go back to the Launchpad home page and it will show my time tile there. This is how we can configure a Launchpad and create a new catalog and tiles in Launchpad Designer. So this was a brief discussion on SAP Fiori Launchpad, and we will be discussing more on SAP Fiori in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.